Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to get an ATM card from Landbank in 2025. Whether you're a new customer or just need a replacement, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to check if you're eligible. Landbank typically requires you to be at least 18 years old, have a valid ID, and an existing account or the intent to open one. If you're not already a Landbank customer, start by opening a savings or checking account online or at a branch. Next, gather your documents. You'll need a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, proof of address such as a utility bill, and possibly a passport-sized photo. In 2025, Landbank might have digital options, so keep an eye on their app for any updates. Now, head to the application process. You can visit your nearest Landbank branch during business hours. Remember to book an appointment if possible to avoid waits. If you're tech-savvy, check if Landbank's mobile app or website allows online applications, which could save you time. Once you're there, fill out the ATM card application form. Provide all the details accurately and submit it along with your documents. The bank representative will verify everything on the spot. After that, your card will be processed, which usually takes 3 to 7 business days. Finally, once your card is ready, you'll be notified via email or text. Pick it up from the branch or have it delivered if that's an option. Don't forget to activate it through the Landbank app or ATM for security reasons. And there you have it. That's how you get your ATM card from Landbank in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be swiping and tapping in no time. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.